If there's one trait that separates the traders who last from the ones who flame out, it's this: a relentless hunger to learn. Paul Tudor Jones said it best: success in trading comes from an unquenchable thirst for knowledge. And that's what this chapter is about. Markets never stand still. They shift, they evolve, they reinvent themselves. And if you stand still while they're moving, you're already behind. Learning isn't optional. It's the fuel that keeps your edge sharp and your career alive. Think about it: trading is not a game you ever truly finish learning. Even veterans with decades in the market will tell you they're still students every single day. Mark Douglas, in his timeless book Trading in the Zone, captured it perfectly: the best traders embrace mistakes and learn from them. Every bad entry, every stop-loss hit, every missed opportunity, it's all a lesson. The difference is whether you beat yourself up over it, or you step back, analyze it, and turn that mistake into a stepping stone forward. And that's the mindset we're building here. This isn't just about keeping up with the game. It's about getting ahead of it. It's about creating habits and routines that feed you constant insights, through books, courses, webinars, trading communities, even newsletters, and making sure your strategies never grow stale. Let's be real. Some traders think once they've read a couple of books or watched a few YouTube tutorials, they've got it figured out. But markets have a funny way of humbling that kind of arrogance. Jesse Livermore, one of the greatest traders of all time, put it bluntly: the game taught me the game, and it didn't go easy. He learned, often the hard way, that evolution in trading is not optional. It's survival. So how do you actually build this habit of learning? It starts with reading, not random articles online, but the masters. Books that have stood the test of time. When you read Schwager's Market Wizards or Douglas' Trading in the Zone, you're absorbing wisdom that's been distilled from decades of market battles. These are not just books, they're roadmaps of mistakes, triumphs, and principles that have shaped trading legends. But reading alone won't cut it. You've got to engage with learning in real time. That means courses, webinars, seminars, places where you're not just passively absorbing, but actively engaging. Think about the difference between reading about risk management and sitting in a live webinar where you can ask questions, hear different perspectives, and get challenged on your own thinking. That's where growth accelerates, and then comes the grind: practice. This is where theory gets converted into muscle memory. A strategy might make perfect sense on paper, but until you've executed it, tracked it, reviewed it, and refined it, it's just a concept. Practicing regularly is what makes execution second nature. So that when the markets move fast, you don't hesitate. You just act. There's also the power of community. Trading can feel lonely, just you, your charts, and your thoughts. But when you plug into forums, discussion groups, or trading communities, suddenly you've got peers to bounce ideas off, mentors to challenge your blind spots, and beginners asking the kind of questions that force you to explain your own thinking. In those conversations, you'll often discover gaps in your knowledge you didn't even know were there. And don't underestimate the small but powerful sources of insight, like newsletters or daily briefings. A well-curated newsletter can serve as your radar, highlighting new strategies, emerging risks, or market psychology shifts that you might not catch on your own. Same with tutorials. Sometimes watching someone else break down a chart or walk through a setup gives you that missing puzzle piece you didn't even know you were looking for. So if there's one message you take away from this chapter, let it be this: learning isn't a phase. It's a lifestyle. The stronger your commitment to growth, the longer your career will last, and the more confident you'll feel no matter what the market throws your way. Think of it like sharpening a blade. You can't just do it once and expect it to cut forever. You've got to keep honing it, over and over, so that when it's time to act, you're ready. And here's the exciting part: this journey doesn't have to be lonely. In fact, some of the best lessons you'll ever learn will come from other traders, whether that's in a forum, a study group, or even just a conversation over coffee with someone who's walked the path before you. Never underestimate the power of shared experience. Sometimes a single comment from another trader can reframe the way you see the market, and that shift can ripple into everything you do afterward. So, as we close this introduction to the chapter, remember this: the real edge isn't a secret indicator, or a magic formula, or some holy grail strategy. The real edge is you. It's your willingness to stay curious, to stay humble, and to stay hungry. Markets will evolve. Conditions will change. Technology will disrupt the way we trade. But if you keep evolving with them, you'll never be left behind. At the end of the day, strategies will come and go. Market conditions will shift. But learning is your anchor. It's what transforms you from being just another tourist passing through the markets into being a trader who lasts. And with that, let's move forward. You've got the mindset, you've got the growth engine. Now it's time to get practical. Without further delay, let's jump straight into tip 71, read books.
Thank you for listening to the Ultimate Trading Guide for Novice Traders, brought to you by bellsforex.com AudioWorks. We hope this chapter has given you the insights and confidence to start your trading journey with purpose and discipline. Stay curious, stay disciplined, and keep learning. Your trading success starts here. If you find value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a trading tip. Your support helps us grow the channel and bring you more free trading education. And of course, share this with anyone who's starting their trading journey. It might be the nudge they need to trade smarter. You can visit bellsforex.com to access the complete guide for free, or grab your copy on Amazon in Kindle or paperback. Until next tip, trade smart and trade confidently. Happy trading!